today I called out a trade on time in which I grew my position 118%, and my group was able to catch a 2R trade. I'm going to break it down right here. So right here we have time. I was looking at it off of the 4 hour, in which I kind of seen this break of this lower high, right? Created a lower high, and it just broke through it, skyrocketed through it. But then it started to pull back. So one, every time I see a level break like that, I always draw my fib from low to the high point, and I want to see the market get to at least the 0.5618 level. My favorite level is at 0.786886. Now from here, I went down to the 1 hour, and I wanted to find basically a zone in which the market respected multiple times, right? And so this is the zone I drew out, which obviously it kind of slowed down here before we got our entry. I look to the left, I see a tap here, another one here, and I see more over here. So obviously this level right here shows that it is an important level and that, you know, the market wants to react off of there. From this point, I then went up to the 30, or went down to the 30-minute to 15-minute, in which I wanted to see, you know, obviously a reaction off of this level, but to get above this level here that it was struggling to get above. So it broke above. I was like, let me see if I can get it to pull back a little bit. It pulled back, and then we got our entry here, right? So initially, we caught our 1R super early, and then the market pulled back, in which we were in the negatives, right? In which we were in the negatives, but then it eventually kept pushing up, in which it went about 2.5R. It still never hit stop loss, still never came back to the original entry. So it can still get up to these highs, in which would be about a 5R trade almost, which I wouldn't be surprised to see if it does get to that point. But I am out of this trade, and I know a lot of people in my Telegram group are out of this trade as well. But it was just a simple setup, right? Usually I look for the 1, 2, 3, but since this broke this level so high, I was like, okay, this is something where if it pulls back and it can test this level, it can potentially go up. Now, I'm not surprised that the market didn't continue going up simply because we have this level here, right? If we look, we see we got a level right here. And you see how price respected this level on the money, right? Where we got multiple touches there, here, multiple here. And you see how the market came to this level and literally just tanked after. And even with this wick, like, yes, the market wicked up, but it couldn't even hold that. So I'm not surprised to see that time push down from here, but if it can break above this level, then I expect it to keep on pushing up, but we'll see what happens from there. But this is how I caught this setup on time and how I caught over 100% gain. And like I said, my group was able to catch over a 2R on this opportunity. Now, if you are interested in the Telegram group, I do have a free Telegram group in which you can, 1, learn how to trade for free, 2, get free trading signals, 3, get a live trading each week in which I go over the trading strategies, stuff with trading and all that type of stuff. If you like this type of video, please leave a comment. Please like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm going to continue to post these type of videos, give updates on stuff like that, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video.